For this meal prep, we used about 2 pounds of sweet potato, which is about 1 kilogram. Personally, I prefer to remove the skins. If you like the skins, or just simply you want to save time, you can leave it on and move to the cutting step. In case you are wondering, yes, you can use this recipe for regular potatoes. It's not exclusive to sweet potatoes. For the cutting, I decided to go with the simple cube. Start by cutting the end of the potato to create a flat surface so it will be stable, and then cut a large flat surface. Finally, lay it down and start cutting the cubes. Just like that. The way we're gonna roast these potatoes is by using an air fryer. Add in your air fryer paper. Then fill up the air fryer basket with the sweet potatoes. Whatever you do, don't overflow it, so they can cook evenly and easily. We are doing a meal prep, so cook in batches. Add in some cooking oil to your sweet potatoes. I used canola oil. Spread it around evenly, making sure that the sweet potatoes are covered completely. Then into the air fryer at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. While the sweet potatoes cook, let's prepare our seasoning. We will need half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything up. By this time, your potatoes should be done. Take them out. Be careful in this step, you don't burn yourself. Mix the potato well. And then start to spread the seasoning. Make sure that you coat the potatoes evenly with enough seasoning. Then back to the air fryer. Cook them again at the same temperature and the same time. Remove the potato to the plate. And get ready to cook the rest of the batch. To finish off the seasoning, at the end, add in some dried oregano to the sweet potato. And that's it. Now you're ready to store your potato. Wait for them to cool down before storing them in the fridge. Make sure that they are at room temperature before adding them to the fridge. Or you can serve them immediately. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends who like to do meal preps. Thank you for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next video.